Good morning. So I wanted to take a minute to give y'all an update post my husband and I being involved in a head-on motor vehicle collision back on July 3rd. I had just finished that San Juan section of the CDT, and my husband and I were coming home from visiting a friend, and on our way, a full-size pickup truck veered across the center lane and came straight into our lane and hit us head-on. My husband and I both suffered multiple injuries. He's worse than I am. He's got about a 5-month recovery time period because his sternum fractured along with his right foot was just crushed and had to be reconstructed and bone grafted and have a metal plate placed. So he's got a little bit of a road still ahead. I came away with just a broken left foot and dislocated toe, a bruised kidney, and some other lots of soft tissue injuries. I got bruises all over my shins and knees and arms and everything, but they're all healing. I've got a few more weeks still that I've got to be stuck in this orthopedic boot. And then I think from there I get to transition into my tennis shoes with some kind of, I think they said some kind of fiberglass insert or something, I don't know. But it looks like won't be hiking again the rest of this season. I'll need to be taking care of my husband through the end of the year, and hopefully one day I'll get a chance to finish the CDT. But I did just want to make a few notes, as sad as it is. I'm sitting here upstairs looking at my resupply boxes that I had put together to send myself out, and so yeah, I feel a little bit sad, but I feel very, very thankful that we are both still here, that we will heal in time. And I've had so many blessings out of this. Just my family, my daughters, my mom, my neighbors, my church family, they have been incredible. They just came in and took care of us. I mean, from the moment we were in the hospital, we had people from the church come and pray with us and get us home until my daughter and my mom could get here. They brought us meals they're still bringing us meals to help me out with Steve, and they came and took care of building a ramp up to my door so that Steve and I could get in and out of the house and not have to navigate stairs. They've done yard work. They even built a fence around my chicken coop to protect them better from the predators. I mean, they've been just absolutely amazing, and I couldn't ask for a better friends and community to be a part of. But just wanted you to know why I disappeared. One day I will get back on that trail and get this thing finished, but this is just not going to be the year. But thank you for following along. Thanks for all the prayers, and please stay safe out there and buckle up. All right, we'll see you later.